are 7 high income skills that you can learn in 30 days that actually make money. If you had to start over today and needed to make money from home within 30 days, these are the 7 skills I would focus on. Because these aren't just random skills, these are exact skills that build real businesses. Hi, I'm Holly Rustick, and I help aspiring and seasoned grant writers replace their full-time income on flexible hours writing grants from home or anywhere in the world. And here's what I want you to understand. You don't need more degrees or even a degree. You just need the right skill stack. And I've seen this firsthand. From my own business to students who actually landed their first clients, replaced their full-time income, and scaled to $60,000 a year, $100,000 a year, even $300,000 a year and more with just a few clients. So let's break it down. Skill number 1 is obvious, grant writing. Because nonprofits, businesses, and organizations need funding. They don't have time, systems, or staff to do it themselves. So they hire people who can actually find grants, write proposals, and guide strategy. I've had students come in with 0 experience, actually about 50% who come into the academy have no grant writing experience. And within months, they are landing their first clients, they're getting discovery sales calls, and they're starting to have real consistent income. This is one of the few skills where beginners can land 1 to 5K clients early on. Skill number 2, creating offers, pricing, and positioning. This is where most people struggle, this skill. Knowing how to package what you do, and this would apply to any skill, even outside of grant writing, you need to have the skill of creating offers and pricing. You need to know what you offer, how you describe it, and how you price it. Because it's not just, I write grants, it's something more like, I help nonprofits secure funding through strategic grant support. I've seen grant writers double their income just because they refine their offer and increase their pricing and positioning. So this is better offers equal easier sales. Skill number 3, sales. You need to know how to have conversations, handle objections, and close clients. And no, this doesn't mean being pushy. It means helping someone make a decision that they are actually looking to make. One of the biggest shifts I see is when someone goes from, I hope they hire me, to confidently leading discovery sales calls. That's when clients start saying yes. If you can't sell, you can't scale. Skill number 4, mindset. This one is underrated but critical because you will doubt yourself. You may feel imposter syndrome. You may overthink everything. This skill is taking action anywhere. Your income grows to the level your mindset allows. And this covers any skill that you want to sell. Skill number 5, managing a part-time team. At some point, you can't do everything alone. Even a small team helps. Maybe a subcontractor. If you're doing grant writing, you can have a part-time subcontracting grant writer. Even some type of administrative support. The skill is learning how to delegate. You don't scale by doing more, you scale by doing less of the wrong things. Skill number 6, systems and operations. Having this skill is so important because this is what gives you freedom. And yes, this is a skill. You need to learn it, right? Create systems that can include templates, workflows, repeatable processes. This is where you go from working all of the time to actually working fewer hours a week. This is exactly how I'm only able to work 5 hours a week with just 2 clients and make 5K a month. Systems create consistency, and consistency creates income. Skill number 7, client delivery and results. This is the one that keeps your business alive. Can you deliver strong work? Get results and keep clients long-term. For grant writers, that's also us helping them keep winning grants. Because getting a client is one thing. Keeping them is where your real income comes from and your real security comes from. Retention is the real growth strategy. How to actually learn this in 30 days, right? You're not trying to master all of these 7 skills at once. And notice, I didn't give you 7 different jobs to do. I gave you 7 skills to learn, right? With one type of focus. You can actually stack these skills. If you want, you could start with grant writing or your main skill that you're going to sell. Then move to offers, sales, and then layer in mindset when you're ready for a team, your systems, and your delivery. If you want to learn how to build this exact skill stack, starting with grant writing and turning it into real income, that's exactly what we teach inside the Freelance Grant Writer Academy. And if you're ready to scale into systems and team, the mentorship helps you do that. Links are below. If this helped you, like and subscribe, and tell me in the comments which skill do you feel like you're missing right now. Because once you build the right skills, income becomes a lot more predictable. I'll see you in the next video.